I just kind of want to wait every single second. I just want to wait every single second that this isn't necessary. This is crazy. I can't go back. Can't go back. Okay, if I don't do this, I'm in trouble anyway, so. Can't get much worse, right? Did she break me down or something? Who's laughing? Huh? Hello? Is there like a sound file running or something? What the hell? What is this?
So you're gonna not go back to Earth?
What?
Is that what you're saying? You're gonna stay on the ship?
Probably. I mean, I just need to get this plan in motion, you know? I mean, I guess need all the humans encased, get the energy out of the planet to protect them, and we can create our own food and everything. We don't need anything else anymore. We'll be okay. It's like Earth will be like a spaceship, you know?
Okay.
And we can
Jessie,
survive.
It's not your fault. It's not your fault alone that the Earth is the way that it is, but this whole entire plan doesn't need to happen. I'm going to take care of it.
And who are you exactly?
I'm Mother Nature.
Well, you're certainly something, because I'm not supposed to hear you. There's nothing here, so yeah. Okay. Granted, I can hear you. I shouldn't hear you, so you got something going for you.
I don't expect
you this?
I don't expect you to understand. You're lucky that you're on the ship. You're lucky that you're rich and powerful, but you're nowhere near as powerful as I am.
You're forgetting I'm pretty clever, you know? I built this thing. I built the whole mechanism. Look, we're running out of energy. People are in trouble.
Yes, and that will be no problem anymore.
Okay, you're saying you got some kind of master plan that saves everyone?
In a way, everyone will be saved. Because the idea of the individual is just an illusion.
What, turning into some kind of like a telepathic collective or something? What are you saying? I don't understand what you're saying. This is just...
Yes, I'm saying do not worry, because even when people die, it will be better for the collective.
Let me get it straight. You're going to save us by killing us.
In a way you can understand, yes.
Good news. You're safe. You're dead. All right. No, I don't quite.
You're not dead yet.
Okay, are you actually offering something, or are you just letting us know that you're just gonna destroy us? What are you saying?
Well, you're on a ship, so I guess you're not included.
Please say this in a way I can understand. Look, I don't like this idea. I don't like my idea. It's just the best idea I had. I'm just the smartest brain we have with any kind of chance of making a difference. Okay, I'm not doing this just for me. I mean, it's pretty damn good for me, but please tell me you can do something. I want you to do something. I'm really pissed off you didn't do anything till now if you got all this power.
I have the power. I have the power to destroy, not to fix your human technology.
I want to listen to you. I just wish I could understand what you're saying. Can you say me in some precise words what you're going to do? Are you just going to kill all humans? Is that what you're doing? Because that's not cool. That I won't play along with.
I'm sorry, but you don't have to play along with it. It's just going to happen.
What the hell? No. Well, that sucks. No, I'm sorry. I'm going with my plan. It's like 1,000 times better. It's so funny. Funny. You're funny. Okay, nature is mad. Okay, I got it. Okay, so basically what you say, we got two options. We save only the humans,
No.
or we say everything but the humans. Is that what you're saying?
The humans
That's so funny.
The humans cannot be saved.
So if I press my button over here and build them a safe structure and use all the energy to keep them safe, is that going to work? I think it's going to work. That seems funny. Okay, if I press this button right now, what's going to happen?
I don't know. I don't understand your technology. The only thing I know is that I have the power to stop people from continuing to destroy me.
Okay, look, you have the right to protect yourself. I understand. Okay, I don't want to mess with you. I don't want to harm you. I would love a lot of nature, okay? But we stuffed up, humans stuffed up. And all I'm asking is that we have a chance to keep going. How is that not?
Do you think you can keep going on down this path?